studying NFL safeties since he was in college. Earl Thomas among them. Former Tennessee Volunteer Eric Berry, another guy that he watches quite often. Ball on the 5-yard line, 3rd down. Touchdown, Jets. Charone Peake scores for the Jets. That's certainly not what the Titans had in mind for the first drive of the game from the Jets, as Josh McCown throws the touchdown pass to Peake.
You watch Peake, number 17 in green, just goes and sits down in an open area and presents himself back to his quarterback. Zone coverage, he just found the dead area. No one there.